Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can participate in the Pi Token Launchpool on Gate.io. Gate.io has commenced a launch pool where free tokens is going to be given to those who is going to participate in this Pi launch pool. So I'm going to be showing you how you can participate so you can get these free tokens. So guys, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to tap on your profile icon at the top. You can see it right there, so let me tap on it. So the next step you have to take now is to scroll down. So let me scroll down. Then you tap on where you can see N. So let me tap on N. So guys, under the N, you're going to see where it is written launch pool. You have to tap on it. So let me tap on launch pool. So as now you can see, it has directed us now to the launch pool page. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll down to look for the Pi launch pool. So let me scroll down now. So guys, now you can see the Pi launch pool right there. Actually, it is in two categories. You can see the upper category right there. That's the BTC category. While this one right here is the GT category. That means the Gate.io token category. You can see the BTC category. It says join launch pool and share the 0.2 BTC bonus pool. While the one down here is join launch pool and share the 1000 GT bonus pool. So guys, for you to actually participate in this launch pool, what you simply have to do is to stake, and the token you're going to be staking is the Pi token. So guys, now you can see for the BTC, let me tap on it. Let me tap on it to open it. So guys, now you can see the staking period is 5 days. You can see 3 days is remaining 3 days. It says end in 3 days. You can see now for it to stake, you have to tap on stake. So let me tap on stake. Already you can see the participants. There are about 13,000 participants on this launch pool right now for this BTC own. So let me tap on stake. Let me tap on stake. So guys, for you to stake now, what you simply have to do now is to impute the amount of Pi token that you want to stake. Once you've imputed it, then you tap on confirm, then your Pi token will be staked. Then at the end of this launch pool, you're going to be rewarded with BTC. And just to mention this, at the end of the mining period, you're also going to get back the Pi token that you staked together with the free token you're going to be receiving or accumulating in your account. So you're not just staking to get the free BTC or the free GT token, you're also going to get back the Pi token which you staked. So guys, that's how it works. And also this free token you're going to be getting, you can decide to keep it or sell it, and also you can decide to use it to buy Pi token or any other token at all. So guys, that's how it works. So let me cancel out of this now. Let me go back now to the Gate.io token giveaway for this Pi launch pool. Let me go back. So guys, you can see the GT bonus pool right there. So what you have to do now is to tap on it to open it. So let me tap on it. You can see the staking period is for 5 days and it ends in about 1 day and some hours. You can see over 10,000 persons participating rather, and they've staked over 790,000 Pi token. You can see it right there. So if you want to stake your Pi token, just tap on stake. Let me tap on stake. Then you go ahead now to impute the amount of Pi token that you want to stake. Then you tap on confirm, it will be staked. Then at the end of the mining period, you're going to be getting free GT token. One GT token is about 20 USD. So that's how it works. So guys, let me go back now. So guys, now this is the GT launch pool. So what you have to do now is to decide if you want to stake under the GT token bonus pool or under the BTC bonus pool. And let me mention this, immediately tap on stake. Every 1 hour you're going to be getting free token. If you staked under the BTC pool, you're going to be getting free BTC every hour until the mining period ends. If you stake your Pi token under the GT bonus, you're going to be getting free GT token every 1 hour until the mining ends. So that's how it works. And you're going to be seeing that those free tokens are going to be accumulating in your Gate.io account. For you to find it, you have to tap on assets. So you tap on assets right here. Then you go over to spot. You tap on spot. Then you're going to find all your free tokens right here. The BTC is going to be here, the GT is going to be here as well. So guys, this is how you can actually participate in this Pi token launch pool, whereby you can get free other tokens like BTC and Gate.io token. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe it was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload.